Hey guys, it's Carolina here from KarolinasKrafts and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I thought I would play with this new die that I recently got, I guess I got it like a month ago, but I haven't had a chance to play with it yet. So this is the Sizzix Framelits Die, and it is in the shape of like a little cake. It makes an A2 size card, but that is without the candles, but it does come with all of these pieces. Here's what they look like here. You have the outside of the cake, which is just like this bigger piece. In order to get a card, you got to fold the paper in half first and then cut it out. Then for your layering piece, you could cut out another one of those. But I didn't have enough for like my layering pieces, so I cut off like little pieces that go on top, and I'll show you why I did this when I start crafting. And I have all my pieces cut out here. I know I'm going to be needing other things. This is just like the base of it right now. It's not including, this is just the base. I don't know how this is going to turn out yet, but I did it folding it two different ways, for example. So here's what I mean. This part is flat. Obviously when you fold it, you have to have the die hanging off a little bit to not cut this part out, so that way it could open and close like this. But you definitely want a piece that goes on top, which is why I cut this out, the little layering piece. You're really not going to see this part right here. You're going to see it a little bit, so I might cut off a part of that. I'm not sure yet, because I should have really just done a whole thing, but I just didn't have the paper. I ran out of all of these because I was using scrap paper, and I didn't realize that until afterwards. But we're gonna make it work. Even if we have to put some tool there or something, I don't know, we will figure it out. So that's what that little piece is for. And then that one was a top folding, but then this one is a side folding card like this. Obviously it doesn't have the side piece here. You really should have another layering piece on top. I'm probably going to be sticking this one on there. Also a little piece. I may just cut out a full one of this though, because I really want this one to be a wedding card and a wedding cake instead of a birthday. And I feel like on this, you're going to see it the most. You're not going to really see it on the gold, but on this one you will. So I think I'm actually just going to go back and cut out one whole full piece of this card base. Okay, so I really don't know what I'm doing, but I did cut out this base piece. I tried to watch a video of people putting this together because I'm like confused with all of these little pieces, and I got nothing. So we're just gonna try and figure this out ourselves because there really was like no tutorials. So I will be using my Barely Art glue today, my precision craft glue. I am seriously in love with this glue. So I'm just gonna be using this because I'm loving it. Okay, so we're gonna stick, oh wait, yeah, okay, I need this side. The other side's not gonna get as much because that's where it was like, you know, cut off. But I am in love with this glue because it is fantastic. Alright, so I'm just double layering this and sticking it down. I know, gorgeous, right? Gorgeous. There's really nothing gorgeous about it yet, but it will be, I hope, once we put it together. That's the goal, guys. I don't know how it's gonna turn out, but the goal is obviously to make sure it turns out fantastic. This is the card base now. That's what it looks like. We need to start layering some things down, but what I really actually like before I start layering is possibly putting this tulle over it. Once I mentioned tulle when I was talking to you guys before, I was like, oh my god, tulle sounds like such a nice addition to this wedding card. Adding some like interesting texture to it, because this is gonna go something like this. These pieces are gonna go like here. I think I actually might like the tulle. It definitely adds a nice texture, and it has a little bit of green in here, which is what my layering pieces are going to be. I think we should just try it. If I hate it, we'll make a new card, but we're going to try to make this fantastico. Guys, can I use a die to cut through tulle? Never done it before, but we're about to try. Oh, I am impressed, guys. Look, I cut through this tulle and it's perfect. There was a couple of pieces that were like still stuck down, but oh my goodness, this turned out great. Okay, so I'm only gonna put some glue down the middle. The edges are gonna be sticking out because there's not gonna be anything going on top of that. And although this dries clear, I'm not gonna put it on the edges. I'm also gonna get my finger guard thing just because I don't feel like getting messy right now. And we'll press down that glue. That will smoothen it out also and make it stick. How fantastic. Alright, so that's that piece. This piece we know is going to go down here. Oh, I should have... Yeah, you definitely want to stick stuff down right when you stick it down with this glue. It sticks down so well. You have no idea. Alright, so what I'm going to start off with is the bottom. You definitely want to like start off from the bottom and layer up, which is what I'm seeing here, because this has to go down here, this like plate for the cake. So we're going to stick that down. Just pressing down because there is tulle under this. Okay. This is the part that I'm confused about, like how much down there it's supposed to be, because that's something I don't really know. Some people have it like up here, and then they have this piece down here. Hold on, guys, I'm just trying to see how close they need to be. I also realized I'm missing a piece that I don't have cut out yet, which is like that top piece right here. Maybe just like that. So let's do it like halfway, I guess, with this. And it's okay, because we could always do, you know, some layering and stuff. Okay, so we have that. Then this is supposed to go here, but there's supposed to be another layering piece right there that kind of just looks like this. So this, something like this would go right up here. So let me go cut that out because I forgot that piece. Alright guys, I got this piece cut out here, and we're gonna stick this on here as well. So that's gonna go like so, and then I'm gonna go back and start putting these pieces down. And like a lot of people put it down here as well. I'm not sure if I want that one down there yet, but I'll put the other pieces. You know what? These actually might look good popped up on foam, because you know how icing is like normally sticking away from like, you know, it's like on the cake, but it has dimension to it. So I feel like maybe I should do that. All right, let me cut out some foam pieces for this. It's hard, guys, you know, when you're making something for the first time, like you don't really know what you want to be doing, but I am, oh my goodness, hot glue everywhere. I am going to be using my hot glue for this. Although Barely Art dries pretty fast, I want, you know, I want this to just adhere. Oh my god, I'm running out of hot glue. I need another glue stick on here. Anyway, so we're just gonna stick these down just like that. Let me get another glue stick. It's like everything's running out right now, But I made sure to restock like glue and stuff. Hope you guys could see what I'm doing. Just adding like a little strip of hot glue, and then I'm just sticking down, my goodness. Try to stick it down as fast as possible. This one did not work out like that. All right, so here is my little icing pieces. Oh, I like that so much better, guys, with the little dimension. I have hot glue like webs everywhere, so they're all just flying all over the place, and I'm just using hot glue for this too. Isn't this coming out so cute, guys? How adorable! Obviously, we still have a lot more to add to this one card because it is supposed to be for a wedding, and I'm not sure it's looking wedding-y yet. We might add like some flowers. Like I'm thinking maybe instead of this piece down here, we'll add some flowers because it's looking a little plain otherwise. I also did die cut out these rings right here. I had a little teeny die for that. So I was thinking of sticking those on top right here, something like that. All right, this is gonna be rough. I want this to stick down, but I also don't want hot glue everywhere. There's gonna be hot glue everywhere. It's like inevitable. Oh, I wanted him turned a little more. How cute is that? All right, so we have a little bit of our addition. I feel like I want to put some flowers on here or something though. And you know what, guys? I intended for this video to be with some birthday cards as well, but that might be a separate video because this is already getting really long. I still need a sentiment to go somewhere. I don't even have one printed or cut or anything. I do have these flowers. I think these might match. I think they go with the turquoisey, minty kind of color. So we're gonna mix a couple of flowers I have here. So let's see. I think that looks nice. I also have these little teeny, kind of like rosy flower looking things. And we might add some of these. Okay, so I also found these paper flowers right here. I don't know where any of these are really from, but this one's like a nice small one that I think I like better to go right there. So I'm going to probably stick that one like right here or something. Okay, so I am liking this with these flowers. So we are gonna stick those down. Okay guys, so let's get back to it. I glued down this flower, then my battery died, then I got distracted and decided, hey, I'm gonna need a sentiment for this card. So I decided I would print and cut some sentiments, and look, I don't know if you guys could tell, this says congratulations. I made it into a banner and I foiled it, and like, I don't know why I've never made my own sentiments before. I'm always needing sentiments, and it's so much better when they're foiled. So I don't know why I never did that before. I really want this one popped up on dimension, this flower. A little foam thing foam square. Yeah. So yeah, why not make my own? And now I'm loving it. I want to make a whole bunch more. All I did so far was the congratulations in the banner, but I should make like happy birthday ones, and I should just have a whole lot more. And I did different foiling. I did silver, gold. I only have one gold though. I did holographic, and I did rose gold. I just used up some that I had in my stash, like some little pieces. Oh, these are so cute, guys. Okay. I'm loving how this card is turning out. So happy with it. Everything's looking so good. Isn't that so pretty, guys? And yes, the sentiment is gonna need to go like right here, I'm thinking. Could go up here, but I'm thinking like right here is a good spot for it. Yes! Okay, let's get some foam, because this is gonna need some foam just on the edges so that they don't sink down. Sink down, is that even a word? That's not proper terminology, but it's okay. I think you guys know what I mean. All right, let me get a little bit of foam. All right, so I'm just putting a drop of glue, and then I'm putting my little foam square. So it's gonna go like that, and then this bottom one is gonna need even less, and he's just gonna go on the bottom right here. Oh my gosh, so stinking cute. I'm loving how this is turning out now. Yes. Love, love, love. Oh my gosh, so cute. And I think that's it for this little a wedding card. Isn't it so adorable? And you would never think to create this from this die. It looks like completely two different things, but we did it. That's what we used. So I'm so happy about that. Just wondering if I should put this here. No, I don't think so. All right, I tried to use those flowers. I find these flowers so hard to use in projects. I have so many of them also, but I just find them so difficult to use. Anyway, guys, I don't know. I think that might be it. Maybe we'll add a little gemmy to the little ring, and then maybe that will be it afterwards. But I don't have a gemmy in that size, which is what's tricky, or in that shape rather. No, I don't like that. I think we're gonna leave that, or I might just put some glossy accents on top of it. But for the most part, this card is finished. I think it came out so cute, guys. I hope you guys aren't mad that I didn't do the birthday card. I also wanted just to show you guys that, you know, just because it was a birthday theme die on the packaging, it doesn't have to be made a birthday themed. So I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. I hope you like the card that I created. And thank you guys so much for being here with me and watching. So I will see you guys in my next crafty video, and I'll talk to you soon. Bye!